Today I'm going to teach you how to sync WooCommerce and QuickBooks. This integration is incredibly useful for streamlining your business operations as it allows your online store data to flow directly into your accounting software, saving you hours of manual data entry and reducing errors. First, open a browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and sign into your account now. Make sure you're using the account that has access to your WooCommerce store, as this is essential for the integration process. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu, click on Plugins, and you'll see the menu expand with additional options. From these expanded options, click on Add Plugin. This is where you'll find all the tools available to enhance your WooCommerce functionality. You'll now be on the Plugins page, which displays all the plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Look for the search bar at the top of the page and type in QuickBooks. From the search results that appear, you want to locate the plugin called Integration for WooCommerce and QuickBooks. Click on More Details to see a complete overview of this plugin. Take a moment to understand its features and functions, as this will help you make the most of it. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation process might take a little while to complete, so be patient while the system works through it. Once the installation finishes, you'll see the button change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After your page refreshes, look again at the left navigation menu and click on WooCommerce. The menu will expand to show you various options. From these expanded options, click on Settings. This takes you to your WooCommerce settings page where you can configure different aspects of your store. Look at the top part of the page where you'll see several settings sections displayed as tabs. From here, click on QuickBooks. This is the newly added section that appeared after activating the plugin. Now, under the QuickBooks account section, click on Add New Account. This is where you'll establish the connection between your WooCommerce store and your QuickBooks account. You'll now be on the account integration page. Start by entering your account name, which helps you identify this connection if you manage multiple accounts. Next, select your environment, which determines whether you're connecting to a live QuickBooks account or a sandbox for testing. Then enter your QuickBooks URL. This should be formatted as quickbooks.intuit.com or your specific company URL. After that, input your client ID and client secret. These are unique credentials provided by QuickBooks when you create an app connection, and they're essential for secure authentication. Finally, add in the redirect URI, which tells QuickBooks where to send users after they authorize the connection. Once all the fields are filled in correctly, click on Save Changes. The system will process your settings and establish the connection between WooCommerce and QuickBooks. And that's it. Your WooCommerce store is now synced with QuickBooks, allowing your sales data, inventory, and customer information to flow seamlessly between platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.